Guys, it's coming the deer, oh guys. Tingnan nyo guys. Yan, tingnan nyo guys. Ang deer nandito sa aming yard. Yan. Tingnan nyo guys. Tingnan nyo guys. Diba? Instant decoration. Yan, instant decoration yan guys, oh. Instant decoration, oh. Tingnan nyo guys, ang ganda tingnan ng mga deer. Oh, ang dami nila guys. Tingnan nyo guys, ang dami nila. Oh my goodness. Tingnan nyo guys, ang deer. Oh. So nice. Yan. Tingnan nyo guys, ang deer namin dito.